So today, what we are going to do, we are going to take you on a transformational journey. What does transformation mean? Transformation means what has already been formed. What has already been formed, we are going to transform, which means we are going to change it, right? Anybody wants to change? I want to see show of hands. Okay. Because someone wrongly came in here. I want to just check and make sure that everybody wants to change. Yes, this workshop is about change. Everybody wants to change. Right from a baby in a diaper to a 70, 80-year-old elderly person, everybody wants a change. They want to see change in their lives for the betterment. They want to see change. They want to improve their lives.
Hi, good morning everybody. My name is Amit. I'm also from Consumer World. I'm working as a manager. I want to change my thinking pattern and I want to become a good decision maker.
Fred.
Hi everyone, I'm Sunil. I'm working as a software engineer in ITC Infotech. I have to overcome the lack of confidence, and I'm here in this workshop to take away a point that can bring the confidence in me and to communicate with the people in a more confident manner and to make a point in a group which eventually makes a decision which eventually they can adopt taking my point in the decision what they are going to take. So that's the reason I'm here today.
India is a beautiful country which is abundant with skill. In fact, we are very highly skilled. We are very highly skilled. That's why Americans and other countries outsource business to us, because we are very highly skilled. But the area where we need to change is behavior and attitude. Now, that is where there is a lot of education that is needed. Not that we cannot, but there's an education. So I stepped into this. I come from a very, very humble background. My parents didn't have much of formal education.
But your own machine, which runs inside you, doesn't take permission from you and takes you here in this direction. Isn't it? Between success and failure, only this gap is there. If you fill it, over. Shall we fill it? Right. How many of you are very happy? Nice, good thing. So the test, when you say internal reference mechanism, right? We'll go to the brass tacks now. The mind, what you call mind, you think of it as a cursor in a computer. The moment something comes to you through eyes or ear or nose or touch, it goes inside your hard disk and searches for a clue or a response, right? Now on the traffic, somebody is calling you in bold voice, idiot. Somebody is calling you, idiot. Now what's happening? Something is happening. With different people, the response is different, isn't it? Is it the same? How many of you said, God bless you? You're calling me idiot. God bless you. How many of you said? We are going to now construct a new building, right? A new personality building. And we are going to lay the foundations and walk out. After that, you don't have to do anything. Because mind doesn't sleep at all. Day and night, it will be doing its work, right? And going set filter mechanism, for example, demo right now. Your mind is always searching for the goal that you have. It's always seeking out. It's always, looking for. I'll give you an example. I say blue color. Just look around. Mention. It is a quick reactive mechanism. It overtakes you. And then it is a survival and self-defense mechanism. It is obvious. Every life form on earth is working towards its survival, isn't it? When you see a snake, why is it spreading its hood? Is it saying, I'm going to give you I love you? Or it says, if you come near me, I'll finish you off because I love myself. Allow me to live. Isn't it? You need to be born again too, right? So one major decision is very, 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 very important. What that one major decision is in your life, don't take it right now. After a few laws are covered, you just take a decision that will happen. Right? There is a magic behind it. You just watch it. Right? We'll move on. I'll give you an example right now. You all have goals. Right now some goal is there. This is a random word, glass. Just ask your mind. You are the boss now, right? Ask your mind to integrate the word or idea of glass to your goal. It will give you a solution right now, here and now. Just close your eyes and ask. Just try.